Hello everyone, welcome to KRX 9.8 and myself Abhishek Sakti here. And today is the ninth lecture in mathematics, that is for calculus part. Okay, so last day we have started a topic that is differentiation. Okay, we did some I have written some basic derivatives functions like d by dx of sin x, that is cos x, d by dx of cos x, that is minus sin x, d by dx of x to the power n, that is n into x to the power n minus 1, d by dx of tan x, that is sec square x, d by dx of cot x, that is minus cosec square x, d by dx of sec x, that is sec x into tan x, and d by dx of cosec x, that is minus cosec x into cot x. Then also we did I have written d by dx of e to the power x. So e to the power x is e to the power x only. D by dx of log x is 1 by x. D by dx of a to the power x, like 2 to the power x, where a is some constant. So a to the power x is a to the power x log a. Then also we have did like d by dx of, let's we have a two functions are there, u and v, two functions are there. So d by dx of u plus minus v. So the differentiation will be d by dx will be distributed on plus and minus. I will write d by dx of u plus d by dx of v. If it is minus, I will use minus there. Okay. Then for product rule, sir, u dot v is there. U dot v, then left the u, differentiate v, plus left the v, differentiate u. U dot v is there, na? Like d by dx of u dot v. Sir, what will happen? Sir, left the u, differentiate d by dx of v, plus left the v and differentiate u. This is called product rule. Then we have talked about the quotient rule. D by dx of u by v, that is left the v, differentiate u, minus left the u, differentiate v, divided by x square. Just let me check. Everything is working. Yes. So all these things we have discussed. Okay. That differentiation will be distributed on plus and minus. If it is product rule u dot v, we have to do this type of differentiation. Left the u means u and v are two functions are there. So you have to leave the u, differentiate v, plus left the v, differentiate u. If it is u by v is there, that will be called as a quotient rule. Quotient rule means left the v, differentiate u, minus left the u, differentiate u, that is du by dx, minus left the u, differentiate v, that is dv by dx, divided by v square. And also we have did some basics question based on x to the power n. Now two homework I have given to you. Two homework. You do remember what are the two homeworks? Sir, I have not did the homework. Anyone, can you tell me what were the two questions which I have given you as a homework? Anyone? Let's discuss those two questions. So first question was y is equal to, question 1, y is equal to cos to the power 3x. This was your question I have given you as a homework. Y is equal to cos to the power 3x, and they are interested in finding dy by dx. What will be the dy by dx? I told you whenever like this type of function will be written, what you have to do? First you write this function as cos x ka whole cube. Can I write like this one? Here theta is x only. In the previous question, when I have written sine of x cube, where theta is x cube. But here theta is x only. Power is on whole. Cos x ka whole cube. Okay, cos x ka whole cube is there. There is a difference. Always whenever written like this one, let's say it is written cos square x. So you will write cos x ka whole square. Okay. Okay. So first you write this function cos to the power 3x as a cos x ka whole cube. Now what we have to do? We know that differentiation of, sir, this is x to the power n. No. It's a trigonometric function. It's a trigonometric function. I have written x to the power n. Did I have written sin x to the power n differentiation? Or cos x to the power n differentiation like nx into the power n minus 1? I have not written like that. Means what I have to do here, first your duty is to write like this one, cos qx is written as cos x ka whole cube. Now what I will do, I will use substitution method here. Sir, substitution method, why sir? Let's see. Can I take t is equal to cos x? Let t is equal to cos x is there. Let us, easy. Okay sir. T is equal to cos x means this function y will become, y is equal to, what will become? It become t to the power 3. Now it is in the form of x to the power n. Here x is like t. Y is equal to t to the power 3. And last day also we have discussed one rule, that is called chain rule. Are you getting that point? Chain rule we have discussed in the last class. Okay. So how I will do? Sir, this is y is a function of t is there. Y is a function of t. So if y is a function of t, what I will do? Sir, I will differentiate this function with respect to dt. I have discussed these things in the previous class. So dy by dt, this is x to the power n form. So d by dx of x to the power n form. Sir, it is n into x to the power n minus 1. N into x to the power n minus 1. Here it is written y is equal to t to the power 3. Here function is t and the power is n. So what I will do? N x, that is t, n minus 1. 3 minus 1 is 2. So I will write 3t square. I have to find dy by dx. First I have to find dy by dt. Okay. Now what is your t? So t is equal to cos x. Now t is a function of x. Cos x. We know that d by dx of cos x. If it is x here, we have x. I told you all these things. If it is x, I have to differentiate with x. If it is t, I have to differentiate with dt. If it is x here, see how I will read here. Differentiating cos x with respect to dx. If it is t here in place of x, after cos, whatever written, that is the angle of this trigonometric function. So differentiating the cos x with respect to dx. If I will write d by dt, means I have to write here cos t. Differentiating cos t with respect to dt. Whatever here theta, you have to differentiate with that theta only. Whatever here theta is t, so I have to differentiate with dt. If the theta is z, I have to differentiate with dz. If the theta is, let's say, axq, I have to differentiate with axq. D by dxq of cos xq or cos axq. So whatever here theta will be there, you have to differentiate with that only. Okay. Okay. So t is equal to cos x. T is equal to cos x means I will differentiate here, theta is x. So dt by dx. Cos x differentiation. So d by dx of cos x is minus sin x. I told you to remember all these basics, derivatives, functions. Those which I have written in the last class, that is the first lecture of differentiations, you have to remember all those things. Every day go through that page. Clear? Clear, sir. So dt by dx, cos x differentiation is minus sin x. So minus sin x. Now I am interested in finding dy by dx. So dy by dx, see how I am writing. dy by dx is equal to, I have to start with y and end with x. So start with y means I can write dy by dt into dt by dx. Sir, this dt I will get dy by dx only. Actually, I have explained you in the last class also. Actually, we are not cancelling this dt. To make you understand that in the end we will get dy by dx, I am telling you to cancel this one. But actually we are not doing. In the examination, don't cancel this one. Just simply write this much. So the examiner will understand, okay, this results will give you dy by dx only. So dy by, just keep the values. What is your dy by dt? Sir, dy by dt is 3t square. 3t square into dt by ds is minus sin x. Now you have to replace whatever your t, you have to replace. What assumption you have taken? So t is equal to cos x. So replace this t with cos x. So this become 3 cos x ka whole square. This minus I am taking outside into sin x. And this is your final answer. Note it down. Okay. Okay. Let's go for the other question. Written? Written, sir. Go with the other question. What's your other question? Sir, y is equal to tan of root x. Y is equal to tan of root x. Y is equal to, next question. Next question. Y is equal to tan of root x. Y is equal to tan of root x. This is my next question is there. Can you give me what is the value of this one? We know that differentiation of, if y is written as tan x, then I can say dy by dx is equal to sec square x. Arey bhaiya, dy by dx of means, if I have written y is equal to, let's y is equal to tan x is there. Y is equal to tan x. And I'm interested in finding dy by dx. So what you will do? You will say, sir, d by dx of tan x. And we know, since here x, here it is dx. So d by dx of tan x. Sir, see, sec square x, sir. Sec square x. We know this one. But here they have written tan root x. So we know this one, tan x differentiation we know. We don't have this one, root x. So what I will do? This is a change we found in from the original one, that the change is root x is there. So I will take root x as a t only. I will take root x as a t only. Means I can write, let t is equal to root x. Now this function will become y is equal to tan t. Correct na? If I have to differentiate this function, see here x was there, tan, after tan it is x. So we are differentiating with dx. After tan it is t. So we have to differentiate with, tell me, sir, dt. Sir, dy by dt is equal to sec square t. If it is x, dx. Tan x differentiation with respect to dx is sec square x. So tan t differentiation with respect to dt is sec square t. And what is your t? Sir, my t is root x. I told you the first question. Sir, root x is given. If root x is there, then first your duty is to write the root x as a x to the power 1 by 2. Now this is my t is equal to x to the power 1 by 2 is there. Correct? Yes, sir. Now t is a function of x. If I have to differentiate this t, I will differentiate with respect to x only. Correct? And this is x to the power n form. X to the power n form. Here it is x. It can be t to the power n. It can be z to the power n. It can be w to the power n. So this is a function of t is a function of x, and x to the power n form is there. So if I have to differentiate this t, I will write dt by dx is equal to x to the power n. N is 1 by 2. So 1 by n into x to the power n minus 1. So what we have? We have 1 by 2 into x to the power 1 by 2 minus 1. Sir, 1 by 2 minus 1. I will take LCM. Sir, 1 minus 2, that is minus 1 by 2. So we have minus 1 by 2 is there. And I told you, if something written as like x to the power minus 1 by 2, So I can write as 1 by x to the power 1 by 2. If the given function have power and that is negative, you can take in the denominator and become positive. The power become positive. If this x to the power 1 by 2 go up, so it will become x to the power minus 1 by 2. You have seen all these things as you are in 12th standard going to give CBSE board exam next year. You are aware of all these things. X to the power minus 1 by 2 can be written as 1 by x to the power 1 by 2. Clear na? Sir, if it is written like this one, 1 by x to the power minus 3 by 2, I can write this one as a x to the power 3 by 2. If it is in the denominator written as minus, it will come in the numerator as x to the power 3 by 2. If it is written as x to the power 3 by 2 in the numerator, it will come in 1 by x to the power minus 3 by 2. Clear? Clear, sir. So what I can write? I can write here 1 by 2 and this will come x to the power 1 by 2. So in the x to the power 1 by 2 is nothing but root x. Arey bhaiya, root x is written as x to the power 1 by 2. So I can write 1 by 2 root x. And I also advise you, remember this one. Because these are the basic differentiation we are doing right now. When the lengthier differentiations will come, that time I don't have to go for every time d by dx of root x. I am doing like this one. So it's better that you remember root x differentiation with respect to dx is 1 by 2 root x. Root t differentiation with respect to dt is 1 by 2 root t. Sir, root z differentiation with respect to what? Sir, dz. It will be 1 by 2 root z. Clear? So we got dt by dx value as 1 by 2 root x. Now I am interested in finding dy by dx. So dy by dx is equal to, I have to start with y. Y means dy by dt into, then dt I have to cancel out. So we have dt by dx. dy by dt is sec square t. Sec square t into dt by dx is 1 by 2 root x. So just replace this t. T is replaced by root x. So we have sec square. We have sec square. Root t is replaced with root x into 1 by 2 root x. Now what I will do? I will cancel this. I will cancel this. Root x to root x. Correct na? Never do these things. Never cancel this one. Here root x is the part of sec. That is the angle. Here root x is not it is not a different things. Root x is here the part of sec. It is the angle of sec. So you can't cancel this root x to root x. I have seen number of times students doing this mistake. This root x is the part of sec. This root x is the theta of this sec. I can't cancel these two ones. These two. Okay? Okay? Means sir, I will write like this one. This will become sir, simply I have to write as you said, I can't cancel. So sec square root x into 1 by 2 root x. And that is your answer. Note it down. Note it down. Okay? Okay? Okay, sir. Okay. Now today lecture we will start with some more problems. Write the problems. Okay. Question. Y is equal to different the following with respect to x. Their question they are saying differentiate the following with respect to x. Question is there. I am writing here only the question. Differentiate the following with respect to x. First question number 1. They have given y is equal to ax plus b. See, simply they will give you like if I'm writing key differentiate this ax plus b to the power m. So just assume the given function, whatever the given function they are telling you to differentiate, assume that y is equal to x plus b to the power m. So what I will do, I will assume this one. This is written as y is equal to ax plus b to the power of m. Correct na? Now I have to differentiate this function. What I will do? See, whenever bracket is there, if you remember in the previous questions, we have y is equal to cos x ka whole square. So whenever the bracket is there, whatever inside the bracket you have to consider as a t. Whatever inside the bracket you have to consider as a t. Whenever the bracket will be there. Whenever bracket is there, you have to consider this as a t. Means I have to consider here t, let ax plus b is equal to t. Now this function will become y is equal to t to the power m. Now this came in x to the power n form. Like this one, if I have considered t is equal to cos x, the previous question, this function will become y is equal to t to the power 2 or t to the power 3. I think 3 was there. Y is equal to t to the power 3. So this become in the form of x to the power n form. Same here, this become y is equal to t to the power m. So this is a form of y is equal to x to the power n form. And x to the power n form here function is t. So I will differentiate with respect to dt. Means this will become dy by dt is equal to what? X to the power n form is nx into n minus 1. So n is m t to the power m minus 1. This is your dy by dt. And what is your t? Are you getting now? Bhaiya, I have taken, I told you, whenever you see the bracket, whatever inside the bracket, consider as a t. Consider as a t. So this become y is equal to t to the power m. This is a function of t, f of t. So I will differentiate with respect to dt. That's why dy by dt. Dy by dt. So which form I have to apply here, sir? Y is equal to x to the power n form is there. Y is equal to x to the power n. We have n x to the power n minus 1. Here n is m only. So m t to the power m minus 1. Now next step what I have to do? Sir, what is your t is there? My t is ax plus b. Where a is constant and b is also constant. I told you last class. Differentiation of constant part. D by dx of anything. If a dx is there, if it is dt is there, if it is dz here, constant differentiation with respect to any function, constant differentiation with respect to any function is 0. I have written d by dx of constant term. It can be d by dt of constant term also is 0 only. D by d by dw of constant term, sir, 0 only. Constant differentiation with respect to any function, any variable is going to be 0 only. So d by dx of constant term, constant, so it is 0. Here what I have to do? Sir, here variable is, what is variable? Sir, x is the variable. Means this is your function of x, t is a function of x, ax plus b, where a and b are constant. If I will write is equal to, if I will write like this one, y is equal to x plus 2 is 1 is multiplied. Now, so this is a function of x. Same thing here, t is a ax plus b. This t is a function of x only. So if I have to differentiate this t, I will differentiate with x only. Means I will write dt by dx is equal to d by dx of ax plus d by dx of b. I told you, whenever you see the plus, this differentiation will be distributed. I have seen the plus, so this differentiation is going to be distributed on both of them. Whenever plus and minus is written, the differentiation is going to be distributed. Means this d by dx is going to be distributed on ax and b also. And what will be the differentiation of ax? Sir, a is constant. And if constant is multiplied with the variable is x here, take the constant outside and then differentiate it. What I said, if constant is multiplied with the variable, take the constant outside and then differentiate it, means it will be, sir, a outside and d by dx of x. Tell me, d by dx of x. Sir, this is nothing but x to the power 1 only, na? X is nothing but x to the power 1. Correct, sir. Means this is also x to the power n form. Yes, why? It is also x to the power n form. So what is the differentiation? Sir, n x to the power n minus 1. So n into x to the power 0 and anything to the power 0 is 1. So it will be 1 into 1, that is 1. So better you remember, differentiation of x with respect to dx is 1. If I will ask, differentiation of t with respect to dt is, sir, x with respect to dx is 1, then t with respect to dt is 1 only. Sir, z with respect to dz is 1 only. Are you getting? X with respect to dx is 1. T with respect to dt is 1. Z with respect to dz is 1. Okay. So this will be a into 1. D by dx of x is 1 plus d by dx of constant term. Sir, constant differentiation 0, sir. So we have 0. So we are getting a only. What is our result? What we have to find? We have to find dy by dx. I'm just interested because they are actually differentiating the following with respect to x and this is my y. So I'm interested in finding dy by dx. So dy by dx is equal to, from where I have to start? Tell me everyone. Sir, you start with the y. Y is means dy by dt. This we are applying chain rule. Dy by dt into, sir, dt by dx, because this dt. Okay, so dt by dx. So we are getting at last dy by dx only. So now keep the value. Dy by dt is, sir, m into t to the power m minus 1 into dt by dx. Dt by dx is a only. Now what do you have to do? Replace the 8. Substitute the value of t only, whatever you assume. I have assumed that ax plus b as a t. So what I will do, m into ax plus b to the power m minus 1 into a. Can I write like this one? And this is your answer. Above one, I think little bit confusion, so I'm just, yeah. This is your final answer, am into ax plus b to the power m minus 1. Am into ax plus b to the power m minus 1 is there. Write it down. Very important, all these things are there. Written? Written? Okay, sir. Next question. Same thing is there. Differentiate the following function following with respect to x. Question is going to be same. Means at last we have to find dy by dx for all the question which we are going to practice. Next question. Next question. Sir, y is equal to, they have given, I told you, no, they have given like, if they are giving like, differentiate 2x plus 3 to the power 5. 2x plus 3 to the power 5. If they are written like this one, differentiate this function with respect to x. So what I will do? Sir, you told, whenever written like this one, always assume something like y is equal to 2x plus 3 to the power 5. So I will assume y is equal to 2x plus 3 to the power 5, and they are interested in finding dy by dx. They are interested in this one. So what I told you, sir, whenever you see the bracket, whatever inside the bracket, take as t. Whenever you see the bracket, whatever inside the bracket, consider as a t. Means I will take at, so t is equal to 2x plus 3. This is my t. So this function will become, so this function become y is equal to t to the power 5. Are you getting this one? Now it is a x to the power n form. X to the power n form is there. So x to the power n form differentiation is, here function was t, so I have to differentiate with dt. So I will write dy by dt is equal to x to the power n form. Sir, nx to the power n minus 1. So here 5, n is 5. Sir, n x to the power n minus 1. So we are getting 5t to the power 4. Are you getting this one? Everyone tell me. Correct, na? Correct, sir. Now what is my t? Sir, your t is 2x plus 3. You can see easily here the function t is a function of x. Here y become the function of t. That's why I have differentiated y with respect to dt. Here t is a function of x, and 2 and 3 are constant. Here 2 and 3 are constant. So what I will do? Sir, if you have to differentiate this t, you have to differentiate with dx. Okay, so dt by dx. Now tell me, sir, taking the 2 outside and differentiating x means d by dx of x plus d by dx of constant. Here constant is alone only. If constant is multiplied with the variable, take the constant outside, then differentiate the given function. Now what I will do? Sir, 2 into, just I made you remember, d by dx of x 1 only. Differentiation of x with respect to dx 1, differentiating t with respect to dt 1, differentiating z with respect to dz 1 only. Otherwise you can go for like this one, x is written as x to the power 1. So x to the power 1 form, n form, that is nx to the power n minus 1. In this way you will find d by dx of x is coming 1 only. So I will write 1 plus this one, sir, constant term 0. So we are getting 2 only. What we are interested? Sir, we are interested in this one, dy by dx. So dy by dx, dy by dx is equal to, sir, start with y. So if I will start with y, this will the first term. So dy by dt into dt by dx. This will be called as a chain rule. Your work is progressing. My result has, if I will not do this one, dy by dt into dt by dx, you can see we are moving from y to x. Correct, na? Correct, sir. So what is your dy by dt value? So dy by dt value is 5t to the power 4. 5t to the power 4 into 2. So can I write 10t to the power 4? And I told you replace the t, what you assume? So t I have assumed at 2x plus 3, means the answer is 10 into 2x plus 3, 2x plus 3 to the power 4, and this is your answer. Note it down. Note it down. Okay, shall we go for the next problem? Take a screenshot. Take a screenshot. Okay. Okay, sir. Next problem. Okay. Okay, sir. Next question. They have written कि root under ax square plus bx plus c is given like this one. Ax square root over ax square plus bx plus c. And they are interested in only one question: differentiate the following with respect to x. Only one question is there. So what I told you, first, can I write like this one? Can I write this as a ax square plus bx plus c? This root is there. Can I write like 1 by 2? Always try to convert the root function. Whenever root is written, always try to write in this one: ax square plus bx to the power 1 by 2. So it's come in the bracket form. So bracket to the power some power, bracket to the power to some power is there. And what I told you, whenever you see the bracket, whatever inside the bracket, consider as a t. Sir, first let's assume this one as a y is equal to ax square plus bx plus c to the power 1 by 2. This you assume. Now, what is the next step? Sir, whatever inside the bracket, you have to consider as a t. Means inside the bracket, the t is ax square plus bx plus c is given. Okay? Okay, sir. So, this t is a function of x only. Sir, your variable is x, ax square. Because a, b, c are the constant. A, B and C are the constant here. So this t is a function of x. So if I have to differentiate this function, I will differentiate with dx. Means I will write, sir, dt by dx is equal to d by dx of ax square plus d by dx of bx plus d by dx of c. I told you, differentiation is distributed on plus and minus. Differentiation will be distributed on plus and minus. You can see this d by dx is distributed on ax square, bx and c also. Now what is the next one? Sir, if constant is multiplied with the variable, here a is the constant, here a is constant, ax square, here a is constant. So if constant is multiplied with the, here it is bx. Here ax square, the a is the constant, so take the constant outside and tell me d by dx of x square. So d by dx of x square, matlab x to the power n form. Sir, you are interested in finding d by dx of x to the power 2, that is x to the power n form. So n into x to the power n minus 1, that is 2x. Can I write? Yes, sir, 2x. Means this one is 2x. Again, plus. Take the constant, b is the constant multiplied with the variable x. So take the constant outside. B is taken outside. Okay, tell me d by dx of x. Sir, 1. Just you tell. Differentiating x with respect to dx, 1. Differentiating t with respect to dt, 1 only. So it is 1 plus d by dx of constant. So this one is 0. If constant is alone, you have the differentiation of that constant term with respect to any function, either x, either dt, either dz, anything. It is going to be 0 only. Okay. So we will write this one as a 2x into a, that is 2ax plus b. So what we got? This we got as a dt by dx. Now next thing what I have to do? Sir, we have to, this is my dt by dx. And this function, this y is there. First I have to do this one. This y is written as y is equal to t to the power 1 by 2. So y is a function of t. First step was this. This is the second step. I missed out. You are getting my, if you are watching the videos, you are getting this. First step is this one I have to do. Y is equal to t to the power 1 by 2. So y is a function of t. Y is a function of t only. So what I will do? Sir, I will differentiate with dt. Again, it is x to the power n form. Like I am writing y is equal to x to the power 1 by 2. So y is a function of x. I will differentiate with dx. If y is a function of t, I will differentiate with dt. And the form is same, x to the power n form. So t to the power n is there and n is 1 by 2. So what is there? Sir, n into x to the power n minus 1. So n is 1 by 2 into x. X is here t, n minus 1, 1 by 2 minus 1. Solve it. 1 by 2 into t to the power how much coming? So t to the power minus 1 by 2 will come. I have solved this one. 1 by 2 minus 1. minus 1 by 2. And you know that if it is in the numerator, it is t to the power minus 1 by 2 is there. So if I will take in the denominator, can I write like 1 by 2 into t to the power 1 by 2 plus, and t to the power 1 by 2 is nothing but, sir, root x is x to the power 1 by 2. So root t, it is written t to the power 1 by 2 only. So can I write like, so 1 by 2 root t, 1 by 2 root t. So this is my dy by dt and this is my dt by dx. Now we are interested in finding dy by dx. So dy by dx, I will start with what? I will start with here only. dy by dt I will start with. So dy by dt is 1 by 2 root t into dt by dx. So it is 2ax plus b. 2ax plus b. Now what we have to do? So substitute the value of t. Substitute the value of t, that is 1 by 2 root under, it is ax square plus bx plus c into 2ax plus b. Yeah, आपका, this is your answer is there. Note it down. Note it down here. Okay. Okay. Now some 2-3 questions I am taking that I have to consider. The first one, like I am writing sine 4x. Tell me quickly. Second one, sir, cos of 5x. Here sine of 4x, cos of 5x. So tan of 3x. Third one, tan of 3x. This I have to differentiate with respect to dx again. Again you can see in this type of problems, sir, we know the differentiation of sine x. If theta is x, I can say sine x differentiation with respect to dx is cos x only. But here theta is written as 4x. The first question I am solving. So what is my first duty? Sir, write y is equal to sine of 4x. And what is the change from the original function? Original function is sine x, y is equal to sine x. The change is here 4x is there. In place of x we have 4x. So whatever the change is there, consider that change as a t. Whatever the change is there, consider that change as a t. So what I will do? I will take, sir, let t is equal to 4x. So this function will become y is equal to sine t. Now sir, this is y is equal to sine x. So we will differentiate with dx. Sine x differentiation is cos x. This function y is a function of t, f of t, sine t. So I will differentiate with respect to dt. Can I write dy by dt is equal to cos t. Next process is what? What is your next step? So next step is here, consider t, whatever the ut, consider this one, 4x. Now I have to differentiate this t also. So this t is a function of x. So I will write dt by dx. Now d by dx of 4 into x. You know, since 4 is a constant and x is the variable. So take the constant outside from a given variable. Take the constant outside from a given variable. So this 4 is outside, and differentiation of x with respect to dx is 1 only. We know these things. That is 4. Do it for cos 5x tan 3x quickly. Do it for tan cos 5x and tan 3x. These are very easy things. Whatever the change is there from the original function, consider that change as a t. We know the differentiation of sin x with respect to dx as a cos x. That x can be like sin t with respect to dt is cos t, like sin z with respect to dz is cos z. But here it is not x, the theta is not x, the theta is 4x. So I will consider that change, that is the 4x as a t only. Now you can see the given function become y is equal to sin t. So y is equal to sin t means y is a function of t. So if y is a function of t, I will differentiate with dt. The dy by dt is become cos t. And then the next step I have to take whatever the you have consider whatever the t you have considered, you have to differentiate that t also. Here we have seen this t is a function of x, then dt by dx is equal to 4 only. Next one, next question. So next question is y is equal to cos 5x. So what I will do, directly I am doing. Are you able to get it? Sir, write y is equal to cos of 5x. Sir, change is 5x because we know that differentiation of cos x only. Cos x with respect to dx is minus sin x. But here change is 5x. So I will consider this 5x as a t, means this function will become y is equal to cos t. I have taken t is equal to 5x. Now y is equal to cos t. So I have to differentiate this function with respect to, tell me, sir, dt. So I will write dy by dt is equal to minus sin t. What is your t? So dt, again this dt, I have t is a function of x. So I have to differentiate this one. So 5 into x, 5 is a constant and constant is multiplied with the variable. Take the constant outside and x differentiation with respect to dx is 1. That is 5 into 1 is 5 only. 5 into 1. Okay. So what is our function? Our function is, sir, here actually we didn't get dy by dx now. What is our dy by dx? Sir, dy by dx, I have to start with y. That is dy by dt into dt by dx. So dy by dt, tell me, dy by dt is cos t into dt by dx is 4. So this is 4 cos, and I have to replace this t. T is what? Your 4x. Same thing I will do for here also. So dy by dx, we are interested in finding dy by dx. What I will write? Dy by dt, that is minus sin t, into dt by dx, that is 5. Now minus 5 sin, and I have to replace this t with 5x. So this is dy by dx for this given function, second, and this is dy by dx for the first function, that is sin of 4x. Now tan 3x is your homework. Tan 3x is your homework. Okay. So here I am stopping this lecture. We did some multiple questions today, and this is we are building the base for differentiations. Okay, you know, like being a 12th standard student for CBSE, you know, the like calculus chapter, that is a very lengthy chapter is there. It's a big chapter. Okay, to make it very easy, I told you from the first class when I started my continuity, formulas are the base to make your calculus strong. For CBSE mathematics I'm talking about. Formula is very important. Whatever the formulas I have given you, every day you try to go through that formulas at least for 5 minutes At least for 5 minutes. Trust me, at the end of the lecture, when this whole calculus topic will get over, you will find that things are very easy, and you will be easy to score in the calculus in the board examination. Okay, so I hope you all people are doing good, and try to always try to, what I will say, always whenever you are solving, so whenever you are solving, have a pen and paper with you. Just little bit I want to just say things. And when you see the question, let's say I'm doing the question, when you see the question, pause it and then solve it from your side. If it is wrong, fine. We are here to do the wrong things only. Correct, na? If you will not do the wrong, then how can we know what was the right thing? Correct, na? So I hope, just I trust you people, and just go through the formulas and the basic things which I explained to you, and be healthy. Thank you.